Fast assembly. Mega i3 3D printer came in 2 modules and all it takes is 8 screws and 3 cables to plug in, easy to assemble and get printing right out of the box. Perfect choice for beginners. Easy leveling. This 3D printer is equipped with dual Z-limit switches and 4 hand twist nuts on the bottom of heat bed, definitely making the bed easier to be leveled. Also, due to its well-made mechanical design, the 3D printer can maximally reduce the body shake when printing, thus its printing precision can be guaranteed from the beginning. Patented heat bed? No hassle of sticker anymore. Ultrabase bed surface coated with patented microporous coating, allowing the print holds strong when printing and then effortlessly falls off the bed when it cools to room temp at the end of the print. More function? TFT touchscreen, full color, multi-language, user-friendly UI. Filament detection, auto pause if filament runs out or break.